Hello guys, so in today's video we will talk about our module, that is repair service contract management. So basically, as its name suggests, we will be, by using this module, you will be easily able to create and manage different kinds of user level agreements, not user level, customers level agreements, right? And you can easily able to manage the start date and end date for the application subscription for that particular customer. And you can also manage different kinds of complex service level agreements by using this contract management. All right, now you can also see key features of this module, that when a periodic kinds of contracts can be used, so it can be easily managed and created with the start date and end date, duration from for the selected service, and predefined number for service calls count. And when a service ticket will be created, then related contract will be automatically taken by the system for that respected customer. By creating a service ticket, a service call will be automatically get deducted from a customer's record. Okay, and we have also made an automated reminder email that will be automatically sent to the customers at the time of contract renewal processes. Okay, and you can also see that we have also provided a pivot and report view for the users to easily make in-depth analysis for the related contract. Our module's compatibility is Odoo Community Edition. All right, now let's back to the module's functionality. So as you can see that in this helpdesk module, there is one option named contracts, right? And this is a structure of contract. You can see a form view of this contract. All right, now let's take an example for one contract view. So you can see we have already made one contract, so a unique reference number will be automatically get created when we will fill up all this information in a contract, and by selecting creating and selecting this customer. Okay, so we have created a contract for just for one example, like tab maintenance, and we have defined a length, a starting date, ending date, a period will be also defined. You can see that monthly period, duration will be 30 days. Okay, you can also define the description for that, and here you have to take a serviceable product. So on the basis of that, in this service details, you will define that okay, servicing hours will be 24/7, and the response time will be like a maximum response time should be 1 hour or like that. Okay, and here in this service lines you will define different serviceable lines and their related quantities, like 2 quantities, 1 quantity, like that. So on against of this, when a particular ticket will be get generated for the same customer, then these lines from these serviceable lines, this quantity will be automatically get deducted, and just like this you can easily measure this customers related service lines quantity for that relevant products or services, right? So as you can see that one ticket is created for this deco edit, and here you can see that service is tab. Okay, so just same like this, by going to a contract details again, you will be able to see that we have previously defined 2 quantities, and here as per the 1 quantities also get generated, so remaining quantity will be 1. Okay, so like this you can easily measure this quantity from this service line for this particular contract. And we have also provided some buttons over here, so that you can create a contract, make this contract on open stage, and we have also provided automated schedulers, so that when a particular end date will be come, then system will based on those automated schedulers, system will automatically check out the durations, and on the basis of that, system will automatically close those particular contracts for the relevant customers. Okay, apart from that, we have also provided print preview for this respective contract, so that users will be easily able to download it and can see and validate the information, as you can see that. All right. Okay. And when a user wants to submit this information to the PDF reports to their higher management or to that help desk manager, so they can also extract this and submit them easily. Now we have also provided a pivot view, a graphical view, to make make an analysis for this all contracts related details for the relevant customer. So let's go to reports and see contract. So as you can see, according to different contract level status, you can be easily able to see this, and you can be able to select the customers like this. Okay, so you will be able to see all the information. If you want to add a measurement like response time, you can easily able to add so, and you can be able to download the whole format in Excel report. Okay, XLS format. Now apart from that, also a graphical view is provided, like bar graph, line graph, pie chart. So based on this, you can easily make analysis by applying different filters and group by operations, right? You can be able to see a line chart, a pie graph is also there. Okay, different measurements are also get provided, and based on these filterization processes, you can easily able to justify this graph and apply this group by operations also. Just for one example, like for customers, I have applied this. All right. So that's all about how these helpdesk contracts will be get managed, and how in-depth analysis will be made from these reports that we have provided. So that's it all about this module. Thank you so much for watching this video.